So next is CSRF with request method change. So what happens sometimes, like see, they use proper validation and everything, but they are using only one method. But we can change the method, because see, let's say they have proper validation and proper checks on the post method, but sometimes we have the option to change that post to get, and we can perform the CSR from the get request. So currently only okay, same thing. So let's login. So always try to attack CSRF after login and check like how many functionality this application have. So currently only email. So copy this and paste it there, and start from 1. Send it to the repeater. See, we have the email and we have the CSRF token. So I told you CSRF token sometimes you will get here in the header section, and sometimes you will get with the request. So currently I have the CSRF token with the request. Okay. So what happened because of the CSRF token? And see, this CSRF token is related, you can say tied, and you can say like this is tied to our account. And what this mean, like if I create engagement tool, generate CSRF token, so I'm sending, like let's say I'm try to change this, like I will show you test in browser, copy. So what happened, we created the POC and tried to check out. Currently this is our account, and what happened if we are attack on the another user, so you will get a error like CSRF token is not belongs to you. So you created this, and after that you click on this. So you see, you are attacking on the victim user, and this CSRF token, see, like if you want to see, you generated this POC from there, and let's say you are attacking on this. See, you are attacking on the victim. So you want to change the email, but this CSRF token is yours, because see, we generated the POC here. So this token is yours. So what happened? So this will give you an error. Why this thing? Okay, the invalid CSRF token, because we can only use the victim CSRF token. So this CSRF token prevent the CSRF attacks, but we can bypass sometime. How we can bypass? We can try to remove this, like just remove this. Let's see, if we send this request, so everything is okay, and we can try to remove this, and if after removing, if you are not getting an error, means they are not validating, so you can attack there. So just send this. See, you are getting an error, means you cannot remove it. Okay, and after, other than that, you can manipulate, like let's say PM, like just change something, and see, invalid CSR token, nothing, you cannot perform this also. And other than that, like remove everything. See, again missing CSR, so we cannot do this also. And other than that, what happens? See, currently we are sending a post request. What if I change this to get request, and if I will send, so maybe that time they are not validating. So this is the scenario. And see, I already told you previously, I will not check like all these things in all labs. So you need to check, like in live website, everything, like check for the referrer header also. See, referrer header, they are okay with that. So they are only checking the CSRF token. So we checked everything on the post request. So I will check on the get request also. So always see, if you are attacking on the post request, then see, I already told you about the course also, cross origin resource sharing. So if you are attacking on the post request, and if that is not worked, then try to attack on the get request also. So maybe sometimes that will work on the get request. So same thing for here. So I change this request method. See, click on the change request method, and this is changed. Now send the request. See, this is working. Now try to remove this CSRF token. I removed the CSRF token. See, this is working. Without CSRF token, this is working. Means we can create the POC now. So after that, right click engagement tool, generate CSRF POC, and which POC we want to create? Auto submit. And for we want to change this also, because see, this already occupied. So regenerate, and not test in browser. I want to use the HTML. This is HTML. So if I want to attack the victim, and there is a C exploit server, paste it there and deliver to the victim. See, have is solved. And how you can perform for the bug bounty on this? Like, see, right click, engagement tool, generate CSRF POC, test in browser, copy. And we generated this CSRF POC from the Chrome, and after that you need to attack on the different browser. Let's say this is the different browser, and another login user is login there. After that, paste it here and click on this. Okay, and if this user is email is changed, then there is a bug. Okay, so next is, see, now let's try to remove the CSRF token. So see, CSRF token, we are token validation, token being present. Like, see, they are validating, like if token is present, then they will validate. If there is token is not present, then they will think, okay, it's okay. So proper validation is not there. I'm login there. After login, see, there is only one functionality, copy, and let's change it to 1. Capture the request, send it to the repeater. See, I'm capturing this winner user account, and this is my Chrome browser. And what you need to do, use the this is different browser, and use the another user account, then try to attack there. Always keep in mind this. Okay, so this is the thing. Let's send it. Okay, so see, in this situation there we have the CSRF token. So let's try to remove it. See, invalid CSRF token. See, if we removed one character, they are invalid. So if, let's say, we removed it fully, and let's check if they are working, missing CSRF. So let's remove the CSRF also. See, we removed everything and this worked. Otherwise, they are giving the error. See, CSRF is there, they are giving the error. And we remove one character, they are giving the error. But if we removed everything, then they are not giving any error. Means we can perform the CSRF attack. So we removed and after that, see, after removing, then create the POC. Right click, engagement tool, generate CSRF POC, and change this email to 3, and just include auto submit request, regenerate. So this is auto submit, copy HTML or test in browser. So if you are doing bug bounty, then copy HTML, test in browser, click on this, we generated from there, and then go to the another user and try to attack there. If we successfully change that thing, then there is a bug. But currently we are on the lab scenario. So okay, so we copy HTML and go to exploit and right click on there, and we will send it to the victim, and this will change the victim user's email. And after that, we can perform the account takeover by changing the password. So I think this is very easy and related to others. Next is try to reuse the CSRF token. Sometimes what happens, website generate the CSRF and that use the CSRF token every time. Like they will use the every time new CSRF token. Like if you are update email, then they will generate new CSRF and use it. Next time again, they do this. Okay, so after what happen, every time like you are attacking, then they are generating new CSRF, then you are attacking, generating new CSRF token. So how we can attack there? So this is the situation. So copy, So try to log in there and see login. On login also you can perform login and capture the request. If you want to perform the CSR on that, capture the request. Okay, send it to the repeater. Okay, and but see, log out here, and we have the request. Let's see. Currently, I want to try to log in on the login. So yep, generate CSRF POC, test in browser, copy, and see like if we can log in from this or not. If we can log in, then there is bug. See, invalid CSRF token means we cannot log in. So there is no login CSRF. Okay. And yeah, you can also try to remove this also. I already told you, remove this. Okay, right click, engagement tool, generate CSRF POC, test in browser, and let's say if there is see missing CSRF means there is no CSRF. Okay, so but we are not talking about the login CSRF. We will talk about with so many CSRF POC. Let's remove all of them. Copy and paste it here. Okay, login there. So see, there is only one functionality, email update. So paste your email. Let's change it to 1. Try to change it. Send the request to the repeater. Invalid CSRF token. Why? Why we are getting the invalid CSRF token? See, when I send this request, email is updated and they use that CSRF token. So we cannot use this CSRF token again. So we need to generate the new CSRF token every time. So and how the CSRF token is generated? Let's say, see this is the request. I will show you. Send it to the repeater. See, this is there is a CSRF token value. See, this is the CSRF token, and if you want to see, this is RKB, and next time, see MD, and next time, and okay, let's set up okay auto scroll. See, every time this is changing. See 7G. See, this is so we need to use this. Copy this. Like okay, let's say if I use this, paste it here and send it. See, now no error, but next time I cannot use this. See again, means we can use the token only once, so we need to generate it again. Okay, copy and paste it again. We can perform the action after that. Let's say 3, 2, and see, no error. See, now again error, means we can send only once. So if we want to attack on the user, that time we need to create the fresh this CSR token. Let's create fresh. So this is new. So just copy this and paste it here, and after that generate the POC. Now generate the POC, because if you send this, then this will next time this will won't work. So right click, generate CSR POC, and auto submit. Copy HTML and for exploitation, and this is exploitation. Let's say copy and deliver to the victim. The lab is solved.